Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to use on off charging sound on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue these steps, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then you have to scroll. Okay, just keep scrolling and here is this on and vibration option. Just click on this on and vibration. After you have been click on it, again you have to scroll. Okay, just keep scrolling. Then on the down you're going to find the additional settings, so click on additional setting, and here on the down last second will be placed on when charger is connected. Okay, so if you want to on, you just click on this icon like this. Here the charging sound will be activated whenever it is connected. Okay, and if you want to off, just click on this icon again like this. Here the place on when charging is connected will be set off. You can on off like this. Okay, if you want to use, you just on this icon. If you want to off, you just click on this icon, right? And friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.